Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you an app. It's called Chase Mobile Banking or Finance app. So this is a really famous app. Here you can see the rating of the app 4.6 out of 5 and 1 million reviews. It means 1 million plus. Write something about this app, we'll see later. And the size of the app 67 megabyte, and you can see 10 million plus people already downloaded this app or use this app. Okay, so if you want to check the feature like some screenshot, user friendly, securely bank, save and invest with Chase Mobile, and millions of people already do. You can see credit journey and unlimited commission free trades with JP Morgan, and build your personalized budget. So you can see it's really user friendly and looks really pretty cool. And check your credit score for free, and send and receive money in a moment, and deposit check from virtually anywhere, and instantly lock and unlock cards. Okay, so there are many features available in this application, and our Chase Mobile app make it easy for you to bank on the go 24/7. Okay, so if you want to see about this app, then you can see the app is released 2010, so they're serving many years. And there are some main feature like which type of feature or facilities you will get from this application, then you will read from this way. And like if you want to check the reviews about this app, what is this like, what people actually think, then you can see the 5-star rating here, and also there are some negative rating, one rating. So you can use, it's really easy. You need to registration and then you start using. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.